XO2's automatic touch-free paper hand towel dispenser gives you and your guests the ultimate hygienic hand drying experience. Drying your hands with paper towel is recommended by the World Health Organization and government health departments. Why is that? Well, the next fact is pretty gross. But did you know that conventional automatic hand dryers, the ones that blow hot air on your hands, well, they're literally blowing airborne fecal matter around your bathroom. Yep, that's poo and wee flying through the air and getting on everything and everyone. And that's not what you want for your guests. At XO2, we have a better way. By controlling usage. That means stopping this from happening. The automatic dispenser can save you up to 85% off your paper costs. Our sensor dispensers are splash-proof, reliable, wireless, and they look great. We even designed them with a built-in spirit level to make it super easy to install. Worried about replacing batteries? Don't be. With over 10,000 actuations per battery, most customers only replace batteries once every 2 years. Our paper rolls are ultra-high capacity with 600 sheets per roll. That's less servicing, less hassle, and less cost to you. We even hygienically seal every roll. So they're not only soft, strong and absorbent, but safe too. Perfect for hand drying or surface wiping. You can choose 2 programs for towel dispensing. One is sensor activated. Wave your hand, out comes the towel. The other is auto-delivered. That means there's a towel there ready to go. And when you take yours, another one comes out ready for the next person. So grab your new XO2 starter kit. You'll get the dispenser, the paper towel, wall mounts, and even the batteries. Everything you need to upgrade your washroom today. XO2, Australia's favourite cleaning, hygiene and washroom products.